In this next topic, Tesla just added a new referral program or a new referral discount or new referral incentive. If you're looking to get a factory tour of the Tesla factory in either location, now you can spend some of your referral credits to actually join into the fun. So let's take a look at it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. Shout out to Robert Rosenfield. They posted this, they reshared it. Tesla North America now includes Tesla factory tours if you're looking to spend 15,000 referral credits. You can join either at the Austin or Fremont location, and here are some of the details. The Fremont factory tour is set for October 26th, and the Austin tour date is to be scheduled with the Tesla team. Limit one per Tesla account, but the cool thing is that one redemption of 15,000 credits does get you admission for you and 3 guests. So not that much, not that bad of value. I think that's around like $700 to $800 of valuation, but 4 people get to go. It's like $200 per person to go into the factory if you really are interested in it, maybe if a lot of points out there. But really cool stuff to see that Tesla is thinking out of the box and providing or trying to provide experiences that they might not, but that maybe people might not usually be able to get. So really cool to see that they're thinking out that side of the box. But we're going to jump into the next topic. But before we do that, water break.